So what's up, guys? So fit check. So I had these chokers and they were pink, yellow, and blue, and I got those from Target. Yippee! And then I have this necklace that I got from Hot Topic, and my friend has the other half of the star. And then I had candy on, and I made all of it, except my friend made me an RP bracelet, but I don't know where I put that. Actually, I do. It's downstairs, but whatever. And then, I also had this, like, raccoon tail. Yeah. I got that from Hot Topic. Hot Topic has some ugly, tails, but if you get lucky, you can find a good one. And then over here, I have these gloves with stars on them, and I have no idea where I got these. I think for my birthday or Christmas or something like that. I don't know. I didn't, go shopping for them. And then I have this shirt, and has stars on it, and it says, stars are very far away, but they prove anything is possible. It's from Shein. Yeah. And then, sorry, I fell. And then I have these pants. They're from Target or clothes. I don't know, because I got, 2 black jeans, and I have no idea which one they are. Anyways, bye. Rah!